First question, I want to know more about Goddess Shyama, her mantra and its effects. Rajesh Shyamala is the second or the third. I can say third or second because Ganapati is Bala. Ganapati is first. Bala also comes with Ganapati. So we don't need to count her separately. And Rajesh Shyamala. She works at the heart center. Ganapati works in the Mooladhara. Bala works in Swadhisthana, and Rajesh Shyamala works in Anahata. As the mantra, from mantra you can, see that. Sarvajana Manohari, Sarva Mukharanjani, Klim, Dream, Dream, Sarva Rajavashankari, Sarva Sri Purushavashankari. So, first of all, our purpose is to win over the world. When I say win over the world, as long as we are existing, living in the world, we want to take care to see our life is peaceful, happy, blissful, and also, if possible, to some extent, it's useful to the external society. That's our purpose. There's no other great purpose than that. For that, we need to do the homework first. That's why I gave you the homework last week. Homework means working here. So what are the obstructions we have? The supporting technology which is given to us by Goddess Mother. Let us talk in Dvaitam for a while, duality. The Indriyas, these are the supporting energies, are supporting avenues to experience the world, understand that there is no difference between you and the world, and enjoy the everlasting union with the world. Continuous union. Shiva Shakti Ekarupidi, Rati Rupa, Rati Priya. Rati means union, not the physical union, tattvic union. So, for that, the Indriyas are given as windows to the world. Through the window, you see, you hear, you smell, you feel, and controlling the mind, you find that there is no difference at all. But the other way around now, we are using the same Indriyas to differentiate. So first one is Sarvajana Manohari, Sarva Mukharanjani, Klim, Dream, Dream, Sarva Rajavashankari, Sarva Sri Guru Karunamaya Garu, Sarva Dushtam Mruga Vashankari. From there, we start. Dushtam Mruga is fierce animals. Where are the animals? In the thoughts. Dushtamruga is here. Just now we had the keys for the last week homework. Sinful thoughts is Dhumrlochana. So those are the things which she controls, controlling the 5 sensory and 5 motor organs, so that Sarva Mukharanjani, when the Indriyas are controlled, you have some, spark in your face. You have some aura, compassion, love, beauty, shrungara. That's why in Soundarya, Shankaracharya says, when you are doing the Srividya Upasana properly, even though you are 90-year-old old man, fit for nothing, all the female will be going around you. Well, it should be taken in the right sense. What attracts them? Is this old form or something else? That thing which is not even understood by that people who are hovering around this person, you don't know. Why do you like Guru? I don't know. The same thing should be with your husband and wife also. Why do you like your husband? I don't know. I just like him. I like him because will spoil the relationship. I like her because there's no because in Srividya. I don't know what attract. So that kind of attraction, sarva mukha ranjani, just like a lotus blooms by the sight of moon or sun, the lilies, moon and lotus sun. The other creatures, not only human beings, but animals, birds, in their silent way, they get attracted with this aura. That much great is Rajashyamala. It's not a simple mantra. That's why when somebody asks, can I have Rajashyamala mantra? I don't know what to say. Do you think it's a small mantra, just like Sarva Mukharanjani? No. It has so much power. That too, when you visualize her power in your Anahat Chakra and do some nyasas, the movement of the energy, wow, it creates wonders for you. Sarva Mukharanjani, Sarva Jana Manohari, just know it all. It captivates the minds of the people, not by physical attraction, by some power which is unknown. It may be voice, it may be words, it may be jnana, it may be love, it may be compassion, it may be the erotic feelings, anything. Sarva Raja Vashankari. Raja here is the mind. Raja externally is the minister and the king. We should not take it in the literal meaning. Who is the Raja? Who is ruling you? Mind. Sarva Raja Vashankari is your mind is in your control. Sarva Stri Purusha Vashankari. It can be used externally to get into the good looks of your girlfriend or boyfriend. It can be used, but not at that low level. It should be viewed at a higher level. Sarva Stri Purusha Vashankari. That means the male and female energy is balanced because it's a heart, it's a breathing. When you breathe, depending on the amount of breath going through right or left, your character is balanced. Male or female, energies are balanced. So, Sri Purusha Vashankari, Sarva Loka Vashankari, Sarva Sattva Vashankari. That means you win over the world with your sattvic attitude, sattvic guna only. Even the tamasic, you face with sattvic. There is no way that you have to be rajasic to deal with rajasic, tamasic with tamasic. No, that is normal, mundane dealing. Oh, he yelled at me, I yelled at him. Fits. That's mundane. But here at Rajashyamala, she makes you completely wedded with the sattvic guna. Sattvic, nothing but sattvic. Yesterday in satsang I was talking, your actions will be smooth, your walk will be smooth, your looks will be smooth. So, Sarva Sattva Vashankari, and then the rest of the Bija mantras. So that is the effect of the Rajashyamala is working on your inner sense and creating a power of attraction for you and towards the world also.